Hey, what is up everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to True Boost. My name is Nizam and this is part 2 of the S13 Pro drift car build. It's going to be a super exciting video because we're going to be taking the S13 from Tony T, the JDM fanatic, who was kind enough to let the car sleep there, and we're going to take it over to Marco at Tignique, who's going to be basically helping us with this entire build. So stay tuned, it's going to be an awesome video. I'm super excited to show you everything that's going to be happening with this build. So if you haven't already, make sure to drop a like, leave a comment as well, and subscribe because it really does help the channel. But without further ado, let's head over to Tony T. Yo, what is up? We have made it. We're here at Tony T, the JDM fanatic. You'll recognize the yard if you've seen his channel, which I'll drop down in the description below. But in front of me is the beast. So yeah, we're in a bit of a hurry. We've been waiting for the truck, which has just arrived over there. So yeah, this is the S13. It's super sick, super dusty as well. But this is going to be such an insane build. Whew, I'm out of breath because I've been running around, so I do apologize. But just want to show you the front of this thing. Obviously, I know you guys have seen it, but yeah, there's this front bumper. And obviously, you guys do know or have seen full Wisefab, super dirty, but that's what we're going to sort out. So yeah, let me just say goodbye for now and get this car onto the truck, and I will see you guys real soon. Yeah, now that the car is up here, you can see the full Wisefab suspension.
This one.
What you seeing there, Tony?
Double washer, a double spacer. This is a no-go.
That's a dodgy thing there. Yeah, we don't want that. We'll probably get spacers made up if that's the right size.
Yeah, that's a no-go. It's got a lot of shit on here, bro.
Oh yeah.
It's like my Honda.
Oh yeah, with your new, what's it, PCI? Yeah. Guys, this is so crazy. Sitting in the S13 Pro drift car, and it is so dirty. Marco, I'm so sorry that this car's so dirty. But can't believe it. And look at this, it's a proper drift car. Oh sweet. And we are off. S13 is safely on the truck. Damn, look at that, look at that beast. And yeah, we're heading out to Pretoria side now to take it over to Tignique. Super keen. And yeah, it's gonna be about an hour-long drive, so we'll get there around 5:30 depending on traffic, but I'll see you guys there. What's up everybody? So after about a 2-hour drive, we've made it here safely. That traffic was absolutely crazy, so I'm a bit tired, but I'm super excited because the car, the S13 Pro drift car, should be arriving here soon. I did beat the truck here because of all that traffic, but I'm super excited and I can't wait to show you guys the car getting unloaded. And this is progress. Like I said, gonna be a basic video, but it's progress, guys. I'm super excited for the car to be here, and let me know down in the comments below what you're most excited about. I'm excited about everything, but let me know what you're excited about. Please also leave a like, and while I'm waiting, you're probably not waiting because I'm just going to skip to the footage. Please subscribe. I'd really appreciate it. But let me wait for the car to arrive, and then I'll show you guys the beautiful car getting unloaded.
I'll never mistake the way you give
quality. That's why it's gonna...
Duct tape.
Yeah, you're not gonna see that quality on this car being here.
No, dude, we're gonna, yeah, well, I think if we have to build this, you won't like blind guys welding on this.
Oh, dude.
Well, what I would say is just because obviously now what happens if you take a knock here, this will break over here. So the best thing would be is actually take this off. Let's not break this off, you know, but let's bend a piece of tube, you know, stronger, because a bend will be stronger and actually reinforce it somewhere so that if you do take a knock,
Yeah.
it actually gives you some support. Because I mean, if I kick that now, I think it's just gonna break.
But also with it being a bash bar, you're gonna get bashed. It
Yeah,
is
so
gonna bash,
You
so...
need strength. Like that's not strong. That's just gonna break off. So I
Yeah.
don't know if that was a temporary thing or because I see there's a bar inside there, but I don't know what that was for.
That is for the front, actually.
Yeah. So this looks stronger, like a lot stronger, and probably Mozzies probably would have worked, but yeah, you just have to figure out what's what.
So we have made it to the shop. As you can see, there is the S13, and there's some pretty cool builds in here. So this is Marco's personal car. It's not an STI, but it's got a lot of STI bits on it and some amazing work. Obviously the fab work is immaculate, which is part of what Tignique is all about. But Marco does so much more than just that, which is why obviously that beast is here. S2000 supercharged is here. Obviously nothing too special about the Mini, but Minis are special, so we love these. This is Marco's dad's rally car. This is a wonderful Civic. This thing has my heart. As you guys know, we had the Honda on the channel, but we've moved on from the Honda phase and we are now on to this bad boy. So yeah, we're trying to get it up on the lift to just check what's going on. Hey, there we go.
It's like, you know, the shoes that the samurais wear.
Oh dude, these are going to be the mascots. We got to wear those in the pits, I think.
Yeah, for sure.
So there you have it. I'm super glad that I could show you guys the shop as well. It is indeed dark, but it's so awesome to be here, and I'm super excited to show you guys the entire build process. So make sure to stay tuned for the next video because things are going to start ramping up from here. Please make sure to leave a like, subscribe as well, because if you want to see all the updates for this build, make sure you have notifications on as well. But until next time, thank you so much for watching. Keep well and keep boosting.